Hey boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Think Different Television. Alright, today we're going to do some unit rates right here. And let's set up our paper and then take some notes and then do some problems, shall we? Let's knock this out. ACT, we're going to do so well. Alright, here you go. First thing, boom. Unit rates, you set up our paper like that. Okay. So, we have, I don't know what to save to this PC thing is. There it is, okay, it's gone. Alright, good. Now it's out of there. Okay, unit rates. A unit rate is a type of ratio. Ratio is a comparison of two amounts with a denominator of 1. But the 1 is not written. So pause the video, write this down, or rewind the video, whatever you got to do. And examples are 27 miles a gallon, or 15 miles. Sorry, $15 an hour. And there's tons of examples of these. Yards per carry. Whatever. So we got 270 miles. So it says gallons. So that's the same as 1 gallon right there. So that's the same ratio. So we have $15 for 1 hour. That's what it's talking about, $15 for 1 hour. So that would mean like if you worked for 2 hours, you would get $30. So $15 an hour would mean $2. 2 hours, you make $30, etc. Okay. So let's see how this works, shall we? Yeah, let's do it. Okay. So we have Diet Coke was on sale last week. Following as I read, it costs $10 for every 4 packs of Diet Coke. All right. A, how much do 2 packs of Diet Coke cost? All right. So we have $10 for 4 packs of Diet Coke. And now how much do 2 packs cost? So we can, so dollars across from dollars, packs across from packs, we have it like that. And so we can cross multiply and divide, or to see how it's cut in half. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And so 10 divided by 2 would be 5. So we can solve it like that really easily. So it's $5 for 2 packs. Yeah. Okay, so but it gives a follow-up question, I believe. Yeah. So here we go. How much does 1 pack of Diet Coke cost? So if it's $10 for 4, how much for 1? You can probably do that in your head. Well, let's figure out. So this is, so it's $10 for 4 packs. Sorry, packs. So how much is it for 1? So how many dollars for 1 pack? I could have put $5 for 2 here. It would have got the same thing. And so, yeah, you divide by 4 and you divide by 4. Or you can cross multiply and divide. So it's 4x divided by 10. 10 times 1 is 10. And then divide by 4. So that would be $2.50, right? So $2.50, $5, $7.50, and then $10. Yeah, so you multiply that by 4. Correct. All right. So we have $2.50 for every pack of Diet Coke. This right here is the unit rate. Why is it a unit rate? Because it has 1 as the denominator. So it's a ratio with 1 as the denominator. So it's $2.50 for every pack. This is just another ratio right here we did for the first one. So that's the difference between what we're doing. So this is what we did last time, this is what we're doing now. Okay, let's practice some problems, shall we? Okay, rapid fire style. See these? A, B, C, D. I'm going to do A and do the rest of them, okay? Ready, set, let's do A. A health club, follow as I read. The health club charges $125 for 20 workouts. Find the unit rate in dollars per visit or dollars per workout. Okay. So find the unit rate. So it's $125 for. So number 1, it's $125 for 20 workouts or visits at this gym. So how much money for 1 workout? So send up like last time. Dollars across from dollars, workouts across from workouts. So you can cross multiply and divide. But what you'll find, watch when we do this, 20x equals 1 times 125 is you're essentially just dividing the numerator by the denominator, right? So that's 125 divided by 20 to get x. And right here we did the same problem in the last one. We did 10 divided by 4, which is 10 divided by 4. So in order to find the unit rate, you just divide the numerator and denominator like that. So x is going to be, calculator it out, 125 divided by 20. Boom. So it's $6.25 for x. So x is $6.20. Sorry, the answer is $6.25 per workout or per visit. Right here. Cool. All right, here you go. So now, do the rest right there and unit rate B, C, D, and E. All right, cool. Let's move on. Here we go. Let's do this first one, and then you're going to do this next one right here, okay? We're going to do this one on the left together, and then you're going to do the one on the right on your own, all right? So, following as I read, at approximately what speed in miles per hour would you be traveling on your bike if you traveled 3.5 miles in 12 minutes? Oh, my God. Okay. So first things first, let's say it's example 2. Number 2, number whatever you want. So we're going to go 3.5 miles in 12 minutes. Now normally you just divide these, right, to find the unit rate, like we saw here and on the previous examples. But it doesn't ask you for miles per minute, does it? It asks you for how many miles for 1 hour. Oh, okay. So what are we going to do? We don't have the same units right here, so we're kind of in a bind. What are we going to do? Let's see. So, we need to change this somehow. So, can I change this to minutes? Yeah, I can. So 1 hour is the same as 60 minutes. Got it. So now I have minutes across from minutes, miles across from miles, I'm good to go. So I have 12 times x is 12x, so I have to solve this proportion right here. So 3.5 times 60. 3.5 times 60, let me get my calculator. 3.5 times 60. 12x equals 210 divided by 12. And you get x equals 17.5. So it's 17.5 miles per hour. There we go. Sorry, can't see that? 17.5 miles per hour. Final answer. All right, last one you're going to do on your own. You go. So, when you're driving, you go 80 miles in 90 minutes. What is your speed in miles per hour? Go ahead and solve that one in your notebook. Ready, set, go. All right, let's see what you got. 80 miles in 90 minutes. Let's try it. 80 miles in 90 minutes. So you go 80 miles, 90 minutes. So that's going to be x miles per 1 hour. You go miles per hour. We're going to change this to 60 minutes. Mr. Harris, can you change this? Yeah, you could. You could leave this as hours, and you can put this as 1.5 hours if you want. This is 1.5 hours is 90 minutes. So you can keep the hours, or you can change, you can do the minutes. Whatever you want is fine as long as the label is the same. So let's change it to minutes because that's what we did last time. It's fine. So 80 times 60 and 90 times x. 80 times 60 is 4,800 divided by 90. Hopefully you got this. 4,800 divided by 90. X is 53, 3 repeating, so it's 53.3 repeating miles for every 1 hour, or 60 minutes. There we go. Cool. Nice job, everybody. Let's keep crushing these problems. Good work.